Straight rod exclusive radar installation.
Open package. There's a manual, a punching locating sticker, and a radar.
The radar LED light is 70 cm high from the ground and 25 to 30 cm from the pole.
The radar's orange and yellow wires are connected to the ground sense and common ports of the barrier gate motherboard.
And the red and black wires are connected to the 9 to 24 volt independent power supply.
Please open WeChat in your mobile phone and scan the QR code on the outer package or radar sticker, then enter the applet mini program.
Meantime, open the Bluetooth permission of the mobile phone and click Search Barrier Gate Equipment, then connect Bluetooth after finding the equipment.
Click the below basic configuration. As for rod lengths, please set to the actual rod length minus 0.5 meter, then click Confirm.
Click Environment Calibration and follow the prompts to clear the scene environment.
When calibration is performed, the radar green light flashes rapidly.
The radar green light flashes for 3 seconds and then turns off. Calibration is complete.
Now, the radar can be used normally.
When the pole is lifted and the person is within the detection range, the rod will not fall.
The rod falls after the person leaves the detection range.
At this time, if someone enters the detection range, the rod will rise immediately to prevent smashing people and cars.
After the person is completely out of detection range, the pole falls normally.